Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Today I will present a case study on OICO and their work getting big energy plants ready. And I am the first presenter and I will be focused on OICO background and look at their project on South Pass phases 20 and 21. OICO or OICO stands for the Oil Industries Commissioning and Operation Company. They work in Iran's oil, gas, and chemical plants with business. The main job is commissioning, making sure a new plant is tested and ready to run safely after building. They also handle startup, um, turning the plant on, operation, running it daily, maintenance, fixing things, and training. OICO helps these big sites get ready and stay working. Um, the employees of OICO as of 2025 is approximately 4,600 staff. The corporate values is safety, human resources, development, and ensuring efficient and reliable plant performance. OICO was first established in 2011 in Tehran, Iran. It was created because Iran needed experts specifically for getting complex, newly built energy sites ready to operate safely. Think of it as creating a specialist team to turn building sites into working factories. OICO was formed to provide the focused expertise. Instead of depending on foreign skills by the foreign oil and gas, foreign international oil and gas company, the Iran energy sector take the initiative to form their own team that uh, that have the specialties focusing on this important part of the project life cycle, which is the commissioning and startup. OICO is owned by two bigger Iranian companies. This gives OICO a strong foundation. The first company of OICO is the OIC Group, a major company that builds big energy projects. OICO was created by OICE to handle the important final steps of getting those projects ready to run. The second owner is OPIC Iran, an investment group linked to the oil industry. Their ownership shows OICO roles is seen as a key long-term product of the energy business. Our example is OICO's work on the South Pass Phases 20 and 21 project. This involvement building a very large site on land to process natural gas. OICO key job here was the commissioning and startup of this big gas plant. After it was built, OICO's team carefully tested everything to make sure it worked safely before starting the plant. This project shows OICO can handle very big and complex projects. They have the skills to turn a built plant into one that works and produces energy. That's all from me, and I will I will hand over the presentation to the next presentation to the next presenter, Yazid.
Hello and good day to everyone. My name is Mohammad Yazid and I'll be continuing the presentation. Uh, Today, I'll briefly walk you through the plant commissioning workflow by OICO, specifically for the South Pars gas field development, phases 20 and 21. The workflow process is structured into four key phases. Uh, the commissioning process at OICO follows a systematic approach comprising four main phases. Each phase ensures the plant readiness for safe and efficient operation. Let's take a look at the first one. Okay, for the first phase of this project is pre-commissioning. It is for the installation and readiness for the project. So the goal of this phase is to confirm that all system and components are properly installed and mechanically complete. Then they will check every detail from PNIDs, layout drawings to mechanical and electrical testing. That also includes verifying all pipings, vessels, and equipment against all the design specs, pressure testing pipelines for leaks and also cracks, installation and loop checks for electricals like wiring and power, and finally confirming all safety devices and interlocks are in place. And then once everything is validated, the system is handed over to the commissioning teams. For the second phase of this project, it will be the commissioning phase for integration and verification. Now the plan begins to come alive. In this phase, ensure system works together under dynamic conditions. The key tasks or the activities includes running tests on utilities like air, nitrogen, and steam, simulating the operations using inert fluids instead of using the actual product. So it's less damage to the environment and also lowers the fatality for the workers and the surrounding, and also reduce the property damage. And then they will verify the communication between the control system and the instrument. That includes the sensors and etc. Conducting shutdown and alarm system tests. And all progress is logged in ICAPS and aligned with OPERCOM standards. This tool is mainly used in Iran, this project at Iran for the methodology. And once this phase is complete, we are ready to start up. Let's continue with the third phase of this project, which is the startup and live operations. This is where we safely transition into real operation. Uh, Before this, they were using the inert gas, and now they are introducing the hydrocarbon into the system. So it starts with the pre-startup safety review and dry run simulations. And then they will gradually introduce the hydrocarbons under close monitoring. The DCS is used to track the plant behavior in real time. The DCS is pretty much the control panel. It is a software, and then they will fine tune the system, adjusting controls, loops, interlocks, and safety settings. The operation team is also trained to respond and act on emergency situations. This prepares the plant for full performance testing. As for the last phase of this project is performance testing. This is for the final validation. So uh, they will verify that the plan can meet the expected targets reliably. In this phase, they will do a 72-hour run for each major unit to prove that it meet the specification and reliability. And then they did a 48-hour test for the full integrated system without any shutdown. And for 21 days, uh, they will run the production to simulate the real operation and collecting the data uh, on throughput, efficiency, and compare it with the design values. This phase supports the provisional and final acceptance, as well as warranty and insurance validation. So, in conclusion, the OICO commissioning workflow is a robust phase approach, ensuring safe, efficient, and successful transition from construction to full operation. That that is all from me. I will pass it to the next person for this presentation.
Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. Today I will present the challenging that we face by company ICOM during the commissioning phase and the solution implemented to overcome them. After I make some research during commissioning, there are three main problems that we face right now. First is lagging from schedule, and then second is increasing activity costs, and then the third one is loss of project control. Next slide I will present and talk about it. The first research that I get is lagging from schedule. The problem that we delay happened because of fever worker on site. And then the second point is work spread out over lunch area. And then the third one is unclear task priority. How do we must manage this problem that we have right now? I suggest that we form a project team to plan better and set a clear property. And then the second problem that we get is increasing activity costs. They can reduce worker as a planning, increasing the cost. Maybe we put some or many worker, and then we make a unbalanced cost. And after I research this problem that we face right now, the solution that we must do is adjusting appointment planning and use resources more efficiently. That how I suggest right now. The third main problem that we face right now is loss of project control. Why this happen? There might be a reason. As you can see on this slide, multiply you need the great database leading to data inconsistently. C. Pool communication between team, and then the third one is lack of a standardizer data recording and analysis practice. After I read the reason, maybe they not good. Pull on communication. Maybe they have a different opinion by them. And then how to how to manage this problem that we face right now is we develop and integrate database system for a better data management, and then implement standardized data collection and analysis protocol that we create a single under five database for better coordinations.
Okay, good morning everyone. Now, for my part, I will talk about the conclusion of this case study about OICO plant commissioning. Commissioning of oil and gas facilities is a crucial and highly complex undertaking. This is demonstrated in the case of OICO's involvement in the South Pass gas field development. Specifically, is a phase 20 and 21. While OICO play an essential role in preparing these facilities for full operational readiness, the project encountered several critical challenges. These include issues related to scheduling delays, cost overrun, and project control limitation. Several root causes were identified, including the absence of a well-defined initial roadmap, poor coordination between construction and commissioning teams, and inefficiencies in managing project data. To overcome such challenge in the future mega projects, it is vital to place greater focus on early stage planning, ensure clear and transparent communication with stakeholders, optimize resource allocation, and adopt integrated data management system. Doing so can significantly improve the efficiency and success rate of commissioning processes in large-scale oil and gas development. Thank you.